hammer candlestick pattern. The bullish hammer is a candle with a long wick and a very small upper body. The upper body can be a down candle or it can be an up candle. A down candle is a close above the opening of that candle, and an up candle is just the opposite, so it's a close above the opening of that candle. I do prefer to only focus on this pattern when the candle has actually closed down. I will generally ignore this pattern when the close is above the opening price. So let's take an example. I'm showing right here silver on a monthly chart. Now it can be on any time frame, so you can see this hammer candlestick pattern appear on any time frame, a higher time frame or a lower time frame. In this example, I am just using the higher time frame, which is the monthly chart. Right here, you can see the pattern appear. So this is your hammer. But in order to trade this, we need context. So what do we have here? So the first thing we have is that this candle is actually forming at or below equilibrium. So if you look at the leg from here all the way to the top right here, you can see that this pattern forms just at or below the equilibrium, which is the 50% of that range. So that's the first clue. The second clue is that you can see that this pattern forms in or just around an inefficiency, which you can see right here. There are other clues that you can see, but those two bits of information give you confidence to be able to trade this pattern. So how would I actually treat this? Well, I wouldn't go long once that candle closes, because very often price will sweep the bottom of that candle. So right here, as you can see, price sweeps the bottom of that candle. So if you went long right here, you would have been stopped out. I prefer to go long after price is closed above the high of this candle, which is the bullish hammer candlestick. So here you can see price is closed above it, and then you can go long on the open of the next candle. That's one option. The second option is to just wait for a retrace back into this candle right here, roughly about the 50%. Then you could have gone long. So you can use many or various entry techniques to get into this candle. The key thing is that when the candle forms, you understand the context around why it's forming. For example, is it forming at a specific time of the day? Is it at a key level? So in this example, I've used key level. I have used the inefficiency, and I've also used the equilibrium as a way to understand the context around the trade. I've also waited for price to close above. So you want a close above the high of candle. And that's it. Context is everything when trading using candlestick patterns. They are very powerful on their own, but when combined with other forms of analysis, it can be very explosive. What I love about candlesticks is its simplicity. If you would like me to talk more about candlestick chart patterns and how I use them, let me know in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and tips.